Hello and welcome to our KS98 tutorial. Today we will see the unboxing of a KS98-2 receipt from factory. At first, ensure that the label on the box of your device matches the one you have ordered. Open the box and check for the contents. You should find a short manual, 4 fixing clamps, and of course the device itself. The label on the KS98-2 should match the label on the box. Once we are satisfied with the content, we can power it up. Find the connection plan of row P where the supply voltage should be applied. On our device, we can see that this unit requires 24 volt DC. Connect the power to the unit. And now, power it on. A standard unit will show the PMA logo at startup and also contain a demo project to check the hardware. Let's now have a look at the different connections available for programming. Always available is the front port. It uses a common USB to USB micro cable. Open the blue port and simply connect your cable. The device is ready to be programmed. Another way to program the unit is via Ethernet. It needs a communication option fitted. On the rear of the unit, you can connect your Ethernet cable to the port on the top. Once again, the unit is ready to be programmed.